Well, Lucas made his little update on his FC, so I thought I'd introduce one of my cars. This is my 240, it's an 89. It's an automatic, it's up in Alberta from a nice fella there. It's in pretty good condition. We got permission to put in it. We're currently doing the 5-speed swap on it. It's gonna be getting all new shocks, struts, new tie rods, new brakes, all that fun jazz. So we're waiting on those parts to come in. Yeah. Once we get this thing moving, I'll be able to show you guys a little bit more on it, at least. The only rust we have going on is right down here. I get that fixed. You have your classic frame. Well, I got the pieces that you just slap on there. That's really it for rust. So it's not gonna take very much to get this back on the road. Gotta put this window in yet, but Lucas got the one out of his last night. It's pretty good. I really gotta get used to looking at this camera. But yeah, that's the 240. I'm gonna get a wire wheel for on the car. It's right up here. So I have to fix that. The classic up here, a little bit here, and it needs a new inner fender liner, which is why this rusted out up here. Just look at all the garbage that. Other than that, you know, it's a pretty nice car. All new brakes we got adjustable rear struts, shocks, whatever. I'm still learning cars. Adjustable for the rear, and we got just normal for the front. KYB excels, I believe. The brakes are power stops. I have to look at my list. I'm sorry, I'm not good with my names. I got a lot of OEM plus stuff. It's gonna be better than factory. It's gonna feel like a brand new car that just rolled off the lot, I'm hoping. Amazon, not bad. She's pretty good. You know, we got this little bit of rust down here too on this side. If you come up to the front now, it's not as bad, but it's still pretty bad. So my plan, you know, we want to paint this, or I want to paint it impact blue. The springs, because I didn't get coilovers, are gold. So I think I'm gonna do a blue and gold type thing. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run down to Lucas's here. We're gonna get a wire wheel, and I'm gonna zoom, and repaint everything. Just quick with the old rattle can there. Just make this undercarriage look a bit nicer until the weather permits for painting. Wintertime, and I'd rather not paint in the winter. But once the weather permits, I want to pull it all back in, pull all those A-arms and everything all off, paint the car that impact blue, repaint everything properly underneath, get all the new bushings in, and then we're gonna focus on probably the engine. I want to get some braces for over top of the strut towers, front and back. We got installed the old Momo steering wheel too. Look at that. Imported right from Japan, baby. Once we get that back on the road, man, you betcha I'll be driving it. So I'm gonna fire up the old purple truck. Look at old Kev dog. See how she starts today? Probably just fucking minty. I don't got the keys. Okay, here you got the keys. Now let's fire this thing up, see how she goes. Oh yeah, baby. Sorry about this, Kevin. We're just gonna, I need my warm-up stick. Oh no. Oh, don't do it, don't do it. I'm gonna roll that a little bit. There we go. What a unit, eh, boys? Like, she just chops. It's not supposed to. It's probably gonna die right away. Yep, there it is. Ah, she likes it, you know. Oh boy. On the road again. So the plan is we're gonna go grab a wire wheel. Like, well, I'll be, I don't know what Lucas is doing today, but I'll be in the shop there just doing that spray down stuff. Oh, Kev Dog loves the truck rides. Probably his favorite truck right here because doesn't have to hop my feet into it. Hey? Yeah. I forgot, you know, Lucas is a teacher and he's at school right now. I do work, just not right now.
We're at my dad's house, grabbed something. We're heading back to the house now. As you guys can tell, this old girl, she needs some new weather stripping. We're gonna get there this summer. We're just gonna get a nice little refresher. It's not gonna be anything crazy. She'll be a good little unit to just drive around town 5 years old. Might have to do a bit more to it again after that.
Oh, we just got back to the yard here. I'll just show you guys the rest of the units I got here. Got the Shorty 97 F250 single cab short box with the 7.3. It was originally a bunch of different colors, and then we painted it in like a weekend. Still needs to be wet sanded. Its frame needs work, but I know it looks terrible, but once it's sanded down and everything, I'll show you. It's good. It's truck, I don't really know. We got the old welds on there right now. Just gonna be a fun truck just to rip around. I know people are gonna say, oh, 7.3. Well, not hard to get 500 horse out of a 7.3, and this thing on the scale only weighs about 5,000 pounds. We should have fun with it, regardless, I'd think. Heading behind the snowbank, I'm not walking all the way over there, is my 92 Dodge. The mud truck, we're gonna make that for FRCC. If it blows out, it blows up, but it's getting a turbo and nitrous. That's all I know. As long as it makes one good pass through the mud hole, I'll be happy. This is my FC that I picked up from a good fella out in Brandon. Super nice. A little bit too much buriedness to show you right now. But there's those. And then, of course, the 6.7. But now, better grab the stuff here. Got wire wheels of some sort. We got our coffee back in here. And friggin' get her going. We got a little bit of dent repairs on this to fix too right here. And then on the other side, I got this dent. And the fuel door was dented, but we'll just get a different fuel door. Let's get this wire wheeled. So I think the whole idea, this bolt out on each side, just so this will flip it down. And we'll just get as much of this gunk off here, you know. Give her the good old zing-zong, and she'll be as good as new. That's minor details. We're fixing that later. Let's we got that on there. We got that on there. Let's get this wire wheeled. Not showing you guys the wire wheeling process, because I'm not really caring too much when I do it. Let's get where I can reach easily, get her zinged off, get as much of the shit off as I can. Good enough. Well, always remember, don't leave your controller sitting on the belt if you have an old belt-driven compressor like that. You will break it. I mean, I think it still will work a little bit. Man, I gotta clean this place. Ew. Just letting this build up, and we're just gonna blow off any excess over there. And then I'll just blow off any excess everywhere on the car. Fuck it. It'll be a lot easier. It's gotta be cleaned off anyway. So now, obviously, you can't get everywhere unless you take this off the car. So we're gonna have spots like this and still stuff like that. I'm just gonna wipe it all down the best I can. And we're just gonna paint over top of it because it's just gotta look good till summertime. And she'll be done right anyway. Get down maybe. And then get the old going, and one side will be done. Well, we got the old Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2x Ultra Cover paint and primer. And okay, well, the grinder died, and the only battery I have is for the light, so good enough. Gonna blow them off, paint them, and then I'll show you guys again. First coat already looks brand new. Am I proud of myself for doing it this way? No. Is it gonna work? Yeah. As long as it looks nice, good enough for now. Side's looking like that, and then we'll get the heat going back in the garage here. Drying up as it should. Now I got the back doing its drying thing. I'm gonna move on to the front, and look at this one. Let's see. Oh. See, we're not gonna worry too much about getting the tie rods painted or nothing, because we got new ones coming in. This will be a lot easier to wire wheel and paint for sure. That's nice. That's really nice. Can actually get this one looking maybe a little bit better than that back one. Well, me and Kev dug her off for more paint. Allegedly, I only had the one, so that's the plan right now. Cruising on old Ace Hardware. Got some more coffee. We're at McCurry Supply, I guess it's called now. I'm not gonna record me grabbing the paint and talking in the store and public and stuff. That's not really my thing. But make sure to really get your axles too, you know, if you can't. Well, the grinder died. But good enough. Good enough. Blow them off. We'll paint them. Wow. Unfortunately, the old finger snap doesn't work on these, so we'll be right back. It has sat and dried, so no dust is gonna be flying around, getting all stuck up in there. I probably should have just wire wheeled everything first. I'm gonna do it all and then paint. That was silly. I just got so excited. And that'll happen. That will happen. Well, I think that's it for this little video. Oh, diesel heater's running out of fuel. Anyway, yeah, a little bit of this video. Last bit of the video. Jeez, I can't speak. Boy, we really are spoiling this car. Look at that. Protective clear coat finish. If I can get this lid off with one hand, probably not. We're gonna spray this. All four corners is what protective protects. So that's good, I guess. All right, so I gotta shave these down because they don't fit. So that's cool. You know, everybody's like, oh, you know, I could get it for this on like Amazon. I could do all this, but well, this is what happens. This is what happens when you just get it on Amazon. You gotta deal with this, but I mean, I think they're only like 30 bucks. It's not that bad. That's gotta fit. That's gotta fit in there now. Hold on. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm not gonna show you guys me doing this. Just giving you a rough idea of what's happening at the moment. And you son of a bitch. It's so not ideal. I'm not doing that tonight. That's really all I got for you guys, you know. Not much else I could do tonight, so. I guess we'll call it a night. Next video is probably gonna be putting that in this so it can move and I can drive it. That's really what you want, right? All right, thanks for watching.